Are you tired of being broke and you've been looking for ways to make money online in South Africa? Well, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how complete beginners are making real money using this software each and every day in 2025. So Canva is an online tool where you can design anything, from logos to social media posts to planners and templates. And its best part, you don't need to be a graphic designer. It's drag and drop easy and perfect for beginners. Here is why Canva is a gold mine for Africans. There is a massive demand for digital content, especially flyers, CVs, business cards, and WhatsApp adverts. There is no startup costs, which means you can start for free. And lastly, clients are local and international, thanks to platforms like WhatsApp, Fiverr, and Facebook groups. So I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can use to make money with Canva. The first one is by freelancing. Design flyers, CVs, social media posts, and charge per design. I've seen people charging like 150 Rand to 500 Rands per flyer, and I usually use Canva to design my flyers. Usually I charge between 350 to 800 Rands per flyer, depending on the customer that I'm having that time. Way number 2 is selling templates. Create templates for CVs, social media content, or planners. Sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or even to local businesses. This is passive income. You create once, then you sell forever. And way number 3 is by social media packages. You can offer content bundles to local businesses, like for instance, 15 Instagram posts, stories, and flyers for a monthly fee. Maybe you can charge between 600 Rands to 1,500 Rands per month. Canva is ready to use templates that make this quick. Okay, so maybe you'll be asking yourself, where do I get my first clients? Okay, I'm in South Africa, right? So the way that I used to get clients is by WhatsApp statuses, Facebook business groups, Instagram DMs, freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. What you just need to do is you just post your work consistently and the right people will find you. Are you ready to start your Canva hustle? If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Web Hustle.